equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed guide on cleaning the internals of your Dell XPS P91F laptop. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate, leading to overheating and performance issues. Let's dive into the steps required to give your laptop a thorough clean. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a soft brush, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely disassemble your laptop and clean its components without causing any damage. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, remove the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws holding the panel in place. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry the panel off. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could damage the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components. Start by using the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. Hold the can upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, take your soft brush and gently clean around the motherboard and other components. Be cautious not to touch any of the circuitry directly. It's important to avoid static electricity, so make sure you're wearing your anti-static wrist strap. This will help protect your laptop from any potential damage. After you've cleaned the internal components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring that all clips are secured. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Cleaning your Dell XPS P91F can significantly improve its performance and extend its lifespan. Regular maintenance is key, so consider setting a schedule for future cleanings. If you prefer not to do this yourself, remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple pickup and delivery service at your convenience. Thank you for following this guide. Your laptop will thank you for the care you've given it. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.